EPS4 Part 14. Training in Ishigaki Jima, southernmost island in Japan. Ishigaki Water Treatment Plant for Drinking Water is a huge ecological purification plant with 18 filters. Residence time of sedimentation ponds, 0.4 day 10 hours in manual. Heavy suspended matters sink down to the bottom. But fine particles do not sink. And surface water drifts near the surface and passes the sediment pond. This means residence time of near-surface water is shorter time than the manual. Ishigaki Slow Sand Filter Design Capacity 3160 tons per day. Design filter rate in manual is 4 meters per day. From this rate, I suppose 16 filters are sufficient and 2 filters are spare use. From design capacity in the manual, when 300 liters per person per 1 day, this plant can supply the demand of 100,000 persons. When 500 liters per person per 1 day, this plant can supply the demand of 60,000 persons. This plant has very big capacity. Ishigaki Island is located in warm climate region. I explained that biological activity is related with temperature and radiation. I explained the importance of depth and flow rate. In case of sedimentation tank, how to reduce the suspended matter without chemical. This is important for ecological purification system. We visited different water sources. Mountain stream, reservoir and pump station for underground water. There are small water purification plants of Yoshihara and Nasoko. I explained role of small organisms at these plants. Scraping the surface at Ishigaki plant. In case of surface water intake, muddy materials are easily accumulated at the surface of sand filter. Sand is clear. We need not remove all of the biological active layer. Biological activity is high in warm region. Muddy materials are trapped at the surface. Sand is always clear. Biological community works near the surface. There is food for them near the surface. When water above filter pond was drained off for scrapint, many fishes on mollusks are remarkable. Grazing activity is high in warm region. This is just natural ecosystem.